What's even our intro? Like, I've forgotten everything.
I don't know.
Like,
maybe go look at one of our videos.
hey everybody, we're back in the game studio, unboxing this pile of boxes. Hey everybody, we're finally back in the game studio, and today we have our latest eBay haul. These are all claimed to be untested items, so we'll be unboxing each of these and testing them to see how good we did.
Yep.
Yep. I concur with Dad's intro.
We'll make the intro after.
Go ahead, Gavin, see what we got first. What box are you taking on first?
Smallest one. All right, let's see what's in package number 1. It's a bunch of UMD disc cases.
Oh,
how do you get them
these.
in though?
I'm hoping they just pop open.
All right, you're
Honestly,
right.
I don't know, but we definitely needed these.
The least not boring. Oh, I know what it is. They are the disc
Tray
drive.
bezels, yeah.
Yep.
We have so many
They don't
PS2s
spin.
that are missing the bezel. What are you talking about? Oh, these are different. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go look through my order history and find the
Get a
seller I bought
return.
from before. These don't even look believable. Wow, that's really bad.
Oh.
That was junk. All right,
The
well,
Stay Patient logo. Going up the ladder of interestingness.
what do we got?
The Genesis? It's like a Genesis with a game taped onto it. Is that saran wrap?
Yeah.
Who saran wraps their console? It sounds like the worst way to package something
Oh
ever.
my gosh. And I'm trying to like not damage the console while I do this. This is ridiculous. What the heck? Look at this. I mean, that's like thick. It's like a 1/4 inch thick of saran wrap. And like, funny enough, like that offers no protection.
No.
Really?
Nothing.
I mean, I guess at least I can say it was waterproof. Like they could have thrown it into the bottom of the ocean and it would have survived. For shipping purposes, this is more just an annoyance than anything.
How many minutes have we spent?
I got it free from its cocoon. That is a really tight cartridge slot. Okay, here we go. Got power light. Hey, there we go.
Works. Why does the buttons don't work?
How about now?
Sonic, stop tapping your foot. I'm trying. Let's try this controller, Dad. I guess we have a controller that needs to be cleaned.
All right.
Pretty good at this game.
Well, that works pretty good. Definitely need to deox those controller ports.
Controller's
So.
not working very good, though.
All right, we'll set that one aside.
All right, let's see how this guy decided to package his console. Please tell me somebody didn't, like, saran wrap it with duct tape.
That was definitely interesting. I've never seen that before. Hey, at least we got an original power supply. Oh, should we test
Wait.
the original power supply? Oh, that was crunchy.
Does the power on?
Doesn't-
So the OEM power supply doesn't appear to work. There's just a power light, though.
I don't know. We'll see. That happens. We should get a signal, though, if it isn't. Oh, hold up. I just hold this down a little bit.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
All right.
So just a weak power connector. Someone has to hold really still while you play. Cool. Oh, sorry, I bumped it. Okay. So wait, does that mean the power supply works? Wait, we didn't check that. Power supply might work with the proper amount of wiggling, of
Look,
course.
you're holding it.
All right. So that'll be easy to fix. So that's 2 good consoles.
All right. Well, let's see what packing paper's in this one. Wait, you got PS2?
Smells like an air freshener. Love that sound.
It's literally spinning.
Okay, it does power on. Wait, free game!
Probably a game we'll never play, but still fun anyway.
Oh my gosh.
It's spinning up. Yep,
Wow.
I should start golfing. So I guess we only have to fix the disk drive.
Yeah, I need to order some bezels that don't suck.
Yeah.
Because there is no way I am putting that bezel on a console and selling it to somebody. That looks so crappy. Oh gosh. Like, look at that. That is so bad. That's like the worst knockoff.
Like a sticker.
I know, it's terrible.
When you can hear the thing you ordered rattling around in there, it's generally not a very good. What do these people package this stuff in? A Target bag. It's a Target bag.
What? That was the packing material? Niger? Wait, what's that say? Westchester, Ohio. All right.
There's a Walmart bag.
I don't know what Niger is.
More Target bags.
Oh my goodness.
Another. Whoa, that thing looks clean. Jeez.
Apparently we made fun of those shopping bags too soon.
Let's see. They bought shorts and skirts.
Anything else, or is that just more packing material? Oh, Target. $70 worth of Pokemon cards, apparently.
I kind of expected that, like, all Genesis is power on.
Honestly, this was a beautiful find. Okay, so that's good, clearly.
Let's see what the last one was. I know you didn't get another Genesis. So I actually...
You must know what this is.
I don't actually know. Is it a PS2? I mean, I'm assuming it's a PS2 because you get a lot of PS2s.
Well, think of it this way. It's the largest, heaviest box.
You did not get like an Xbox One. Oh, it's an original Xbox. I figured it out. It's like a banker's box. Somebody cut up a banker's box. Yep, look at that. Hold it. Actually decently packaged. Look at all that. The jewel even has a crack in it.
Did it take a few hits?
It's got water damage. Has never been opened before. Does it run?
That's a good sign. Now will the drive eject?
Wow, that actually ejected nice. Now we'll play Star Wars Battlefront.
All right, and of course the clock is long forgotten. We got to get a super cap for this thing.
Well, it read.
Hey, that's pretty sweet. Gonna need to do a fan mod on this thing, and yeah, that's definitely some Glade plug in there.
Hey, stop laughing! I'm not kidding this game. Stop it, Dad! It's not fun. Oh, I got him! Look at that. I'm so good at this game.
You're going the wrong way
I
again.
don't know.
You see the map? There you go.
Oh, I need to destroy this? Kickball.
Might want to back up when you throw the
I
grenade.
didn't know it's gonna explode in 0.2 seconds! I was trying to back up.
Wow, this one's actually, I mean, the case has taken a beating, but like, look how clean the inside of the drive bay is. So, what version is this?
Oh yeah, let's figure that out. Plug it back in.
Can we not tell from the bottom at all?
Nope, you tell by going into system settings. So now you wait for it to really slowly scroll down.
We can't scroll it?
Nope. All right. 4034.
That's a 1.0.
Oh, really? Well, we'll know by the GPU fan.
Okay, so we got a 1.0 version Xbox. Okay,
Yep.
so what did we get that didn't work?
Nothing.
Drive bezels.
That's a good point.
This definitely did not work, so, you know, we didn't win on everything. So bad. I mean, I'm not a fan of non-OEM parts in the first place.
This badly
But at least
non-OEM?
these look like it and they spin. One other thing I'd like to mention is that we are now going to be offering the consoles that we restore for sale at our own website at ifxretrogames.com. So if you like our work, you can actually purchase one of our consoles. And I can guarantee you will not have one of these crappy bezels on it. So you can find us at ifxretrogames.com.